Alright, so I just got back from a few days business and leisure trip in Baguio City as I have attended a metaverse related event in which I am going to make a separate video about that later on. But in this new video of mine, I'm going to ask you this one question. Are you recently tempted to sell your Bitcoin during the crypto winter? So what's up peeps, this is Jeb aka Nomad Fury and we're back once again for another weekly news crypto video where it is the best place for money making decisions in the crypto world. So it is an all-in-one crypto ecosystem covering everything from education to industry leading proprietary trading indicators and tools. So for more information, all you have to do is to simply go to their official website at newscrypto.io and explore their one-of-a-kind platform for crypto traders and enthusiasts around the globe. And not only that, they also have a non-custodial mobile wallet and their next generation mobile app, which can be downloaded and installed in various Android and iOS devices. Alright, look guys, I know you don't want to get bored with some very long videos because our attention span was very limited up to this point. So I'm going to make this really quick, so let's get started. From the epic Terra Luna crash, the pausing of withdrawals in the Celsius network, and now the latest $100 million Harmony hack, it looks like we are in a series of bearish waves in the crypto market and expect that we may possibly have more of these in the upcoming months. On top of that, inflation has risen significantly in various countries. Let's start off with the non-stop increase of fuel costs and commodities, as well as foreign currencies losing value against the US dollar. You're not alone, as we're all affected here no matter what industry you're in, especially the world of Web3. Now, I know that temptation is always around the corner in this financial crisis that we're in today. One of the common temptations when it comes to bearish runs is all about selling our Bitcoin. I don't know about your position on Bitcoin though. Either you have bought it from the top, or you're holding it for years, or you just recently bought Bitcoin but eventually losing value after a few days or so. I understand how you felt about this because I've felt the same way too. I bought Bitcoin last month when the price was around 30k-ish, and then this month when it's around 21k-ish. So as of this time, I am currently at a loss because of the series of bearish waves that would possibly last longer than I've thought. There's a part of me that I want to panic sell because of this loss, but there's also another part of me that I want to keep hodling for the long term. So which one is it anyway? Although, please do not take this as a financial advice because this is just my personal decision. Despite all the temptations that I have in my mind in selling at a loss, my instincts would tell me to keep hodling because I knew how capable Bitcoin is to recover and bounce back much stronger than ever. Like for most of 2021, we have seen an uprise of Bitcoin's price of up to more than 60k, and then it goes down to 30k again. And then we have seen it pump up to 68k before it goes down once again. Although that there are no guarantees or promises here, I would really believe that Bitcoin will bounce back stronger than it was before. Especially that we're waiting for the next halving period. So the thing is that I am not a financial advisor, so whatever decision you have, that's on you. If you're one of those who have bought from the very top at around 60k-ish or something like that, it's not wise to sell at a huge loss, but again, that's totally up to you. If you have bought Bitcoin early and at a profit right now but wanted to hold it for a very long time, that's also up to you. Or if you are in profit and wanted it to sell so early to avoid losses, well, that's also up to you too. This concern also applies to the altcoin that you have, especially Ethereum, BNB, Cardano, Polygon, or even the NWC token. So, I have a question for you. Are you tempted to sell your Bitcoin during the crypto winter? Or you want to keep hodling as much as you can, despite the uncertainties of the crypto market right now? Feel free to share your thoughts, opinions, and reactions right here in the comment section of this video. Did you enjoy watching this video? If yes, I would like to thank you for this. And if you want to stay updated regarding my latest videos, interviews, and giveaways, just hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And also you could follow me on my official social media channels. Alright, I guess I'll see you guys on my next video.